I'm an associate professor of educational technology and computer science education. The work that I do in AI falls into two main categories. The first, I think about what is it that teachers and children need to know about AI, and how can we design learning opportunities so that the children are learning about how AI affects the world, affects the subjects that they're learning, and to help them think about the interactions that they're having with technologies. Part of that also is working with teachers so that they understand how AI actually affects the disciplines that they're teaching. So if you're a science teacher, how does artificial intelligence affect the way that you think about teaching modeling, for example? The other part of what we do is we think about how do we leverage AI to create learning environments that personalize learning, that help develop learning environments that really support instruction in K-12. We think about artificial intelligence really becoming ubiquitous in children's lives. So when they pick up their telephone and they're using chatbots, for example, or when they're online and trying to figure out what movies to watch, that is part of artificial intelligence. So part of what we really want children to be able to know is understand how AI is affecting the decisions that they're making, how the data that they are feeding into these systems is actually being used to inform the systems. How do we think about their privacy, their own data security? Another part of what we want children to be able to do is think about how can they be not just consumers of this technology, but how can they help be part of the team that designs technology? Thinking about how they can use their creativity, how can they develop the technical skills, and how can they work in teams together to develop AI leverage technologies is a big part of this too.